Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to rename the sheets on the spreadsheets documents on mobile phone. So here I already have the documents. On my spreadsheet documents, I already have like a lot of sheets here. You can see I got 4 sheets, and the way to make you easier working or finding the data, you need to rename. So the default name of the sheet will be sheets 1, sheets 2, sheets 3, sheets 4, and sheets so on, that depending on the arrangement of the number they created. So here to rename it, so for example here there will be a date information, debit, credit, total, means that this could be a finance table. So you just need to rename this sheet 1 with the finance table. So to rename it, you just need to go click this sheets, and there will be pop up several options that you can use. So to rename it, you just need to go click rename, and now you just need to prepare the name of how could say the name of this sheet. So here let's just type the finance table to replace the sheet 1. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click OK, and the sheet will be changed the name from sheet 1 into finance table, and it will be the same for sheet 2. You just need to go click it, and after that go click rename and just replace the name with the purposes of the sheets. So that's the way how to rename sheets on a spreadsheets documents by mobile phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.